Jared's back. So again, see how we got the black, white, red combination? You're gonna match that up on the bottom down there. It's real simple. And then as you can see how the ground's behind these wires? If you didn't do that one first, you would have had a little bit of a hassle trying to undo that screw, getting your ground to go in there. You'd have to move your wires around and all that. You don't really want to do that. I like everything to be real straight, real clean, okay? You know, once you're done with this, just a good rule of thumb, you know, just simply put the cover back on. It takes 2 seconds. You only need to get in there one time. I actually like to stub the wire in, hook it through the unit, land all my wires, and then be done with this part of it. Then we don't need to get in here anymore, especially in this installation because it is going through the wall. We just stick this guy back in there. We got it, it worked. And then, you know, just simply tighten it in. So there you go. One real quick thing I will show you why we do have this open. Right here, if you have a Mitsubishi unit, it will kind of give you an LED operation diagnostic if you're having some issues with it, okay? And this here is your emergency operation switch. The emergency operation switch is, let's say your controller is not working, maybe you broke it or lost it, but you're still wanting to get the machine to work. Just follow these steps up here and push the commands on the emergency operation switch, and the unit will fire up for you if it's heating or air conditioning, okay? So that's just another, also a quick little tip on the emergency operational switch, and you know, another nice feature that Mitsubishi offers, you know, on their indoor units. This unit in particular is the Deluxe model. It's the IC sensor unit. We are going to come back when they're done though, painting and everything in here, and we're going to actually install a remote MHK2 thermostat on this for these folks. So anywho, thank you so much, and thanks for watching.